Yeah. Okay, today's stitch is stem stitch, called because it's used quite often in flower embroideries, because you can make what looks like a stem. It's good for outlines. And here we go. So I'm going to follow this line here. I'm going to make a small stitch there. And then bring my needle back up halfway along where I've just stitched, but just to the side of it. There's another stitch there. Bring my needle back very close alongside the stitch I've just made and halfway back. And what I hope you can see is that it looks, you've got a nice sort of rope effect there, slightly twisted. So you get a solid line with some texture to it. There we are.